everyone, it's Kim here, and I have a project that I'm going to share with you using a tool called the Fablossom Paper Flower Maker. And I did a blog post on this a couple months back where we did this card here, and I also showed putting it on a gift. You can also make little banners with them. So I thought instead of a picture step by step, we would do a video, process video. The tool itself is this wonderfully packaged box, and it starts with everything that you would need to make lots of flowers in practice. We'll open it up, and you have the wonderful idea booklet as well as your step-by-step. It comes with lots of the product required pre-cut circles, but this is what it's all about, is this wonderful tool here. So we're going to move all of this out of the way. We are using paper from FabScraps Woodland Friends collection. So with your Fablossom, you have this little tool that sits in there that guides your flower making. I've pre-cut circles using my brother's Scan and Cut. You do need a scoring tool if you're a little bit picky like I am. And we're going to take this paper, we're folding it in half and scoring. And this is one of many paper flowers. And then we're taking it and we are folding it about 2/3 of the way over. And then we flip it around and we're folding it back. And you can just crisp out those edges if you want. I'm going to quickly make 6 of these, and then we'll put together our flower. Okay, so we've got our little pile of folded petals, which these will end up being, and I've got an extra one just in case things go wrong, and we're going to bring back our little Fablossom tool here. This goes in the center. We're going to build our flower from there. In the kit, you get lots of these little felt sticky adhesives. We're going to start by peeling off the adhesive and putting the adhesive side up on this little peg. That's going to help guide everything and keep it in place. The petals we want with the little flap coming up, otherwise it will be totally flat and we miss the whole benefit of building this. We're going to stick our petal in place, bring the handle lifted up to hold it. We're just going to keep going around our tool. You have them where you want, maneuver them around a little tiny bit so that you have as little openings as possible. And then we'll take another of those little foam circles, take the adhesive off, and we will stick it over, and then we'll move these out and build the rest of the flower. And this is where this tool is really well designed, because now we have this little packet. We take the little yellow spindle, put that away, and then within the toolbox itself you get lots of these little brads to again put everything together. We'll stick it through. There we go, and just like any brad you would use on a scrapbooking page, you're just going to snap that in place. And then you might think it looks a little unfinished, but the fun of this is it also comes with a punch tool as well as a packet of embellishments that you could put and punch out and stick over top of this. But if we're using FabScraps paper, why not cut our embellishment from the paper? And I think it would be cute to add this little ladybug. So take this nice little punch, and then we have little clear plastic dots that come in that you can just put over top to give it a little bit of pop and shine. And there are adhesives built into this package as well. just a double-sided adhesive to stick it on. So they really thought of everything with this little kit. So just to quickly put together a card for you using our little flower, and I've started most of this at home already. I've just layered up some paper from the FabScraps kit. I've cut it, I've edged it a little bit with some ink, and I've used the Kelly Creates stamps. This is the kit that I've used, and it's kind of it almost looks like a wedding or anniversary, but there has this Your Day tucked at the bottom, which I thought was perfect for a birthday or celebration. And then we would just mount that over here. I've also got into the habit of really liking to put thread as an embellishment. I'm going to run some Tombow XTREME tape just to hold down, and we're just going to make a messy little bunch of thread there. This will come on top. I recently fell in love with the Tombow XTREME pads. Perfect for this type of embellishment where we've got a little bit of that foam, we've got a little bit of metal under there, and we want to stick it to a page. So we'll take that, put it over our little bit of thread twine, and there you have an adorable little card made using the Fablossom Paper Flower Kit. Find one, buy one, make flowers, they're awesome.